Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you this here. This is the multi-function wireless charger, and if you have, like me, you have a watch and headphones and a phone, it's nice to have something like this on the side table next to the bed to be able to charge everything all at once. So we're going to check this thing out. This one says multi-function wireless charger, so let's see what it comes with. So here is what it looks like. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. So let's see how this is. And this is the stand. And I guess, because it's got a clock on it and everything too. So it's gonna have a clock and a light and everything. And the phone's gonna charge back here wirelessly. I guess this is gonna be for the AirPods and stuff. I don't know. We're gonna look at it and see where everything goes. So let's put that down there. And let's see what we got with this. More pieces and parts. Okay, so that's everything. The box is empty. So let's see what we got here. We have some instructions, so that's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna have the phone, the watch is gonna go around something there, and I'm not sure where the headphones are gonna go. I guess we'll see in a second. So let's see what we got here. So it's gonna go, it goes this way actually. Check out our wires. And we have a USB-C wire. So you can see this is USB to USB-C. Just curious what this wire is over here. Here is another USB to USB-C. So we have two of those for some reason. And then we have the plug for it right there. So this is gonna be USB plug. I'm gonna plug it in so we can give this thing a try. And we'll plug it into the device. Oh, so that's where it is there. So you can see the time. So that's pretty cool, 2:38. And I can't charge my telephone at the moment just because that is what I am using to film this. But we're gonna try this stuff here. So let's see, so this, you see it's got the little dots on the bottom and this has the little dots there. I'm guessing that's where it's getting the power from. So when we put it on there, oh, it magnetizes on. So there we go. So now it's magnetized on. I'll take off my watch and I'm guessing it goes like that. Probably needs this piece here, the insert for it. Okay, so I'm back and I figured out kind of how this thing works now. So let me move this just up a little bit. I'll hold it just because I'm got a weird angle. And so, okay, so the way this works is you've got this little cubby here, and if you look inside of it, it's got USB ports. So I've got a USB to iPhone type wire, which I will be using for my for my AirPods. So you see, you plug it in. Okay, so you see I plugged it in there. I have the longest wire in the world, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to fit in there, but we'll try. So I just rotate it all up super tight here. Just don't think, well, the idea is to put it all in there, and I have just got so much wire. Let me try wrapping it even smaller here. So you usually would want to use a smaller wire, but whatever. And then it goes through this. This is the cap, so you'll see it'll stick through there, and you see it, well, I messed it up a little bit, but okay, so you see there, I kind of have it assembled and it's sticking out from there. And then you tuck all the wires in. The problem is, I still didn't even get them tight enough. You'd want to use a shorter wire, but I have to fit two adapters in there because I need one for this and then one for the Apple Watch. That's what this part here is for that little watch adapter. So I'm barely fitting in here with this one here. So you definitely need smaller wires. But the concept is, so this will fit here, that'll fit there. Let me go down here a little bit. So there you go. So you see it'll fit onto here. And then at night you go and you put your headphones on there. Here, let me turn it around. And you see the little light goes on, it's charging. So that'll be charging there. The phone will go down here. I can't show you because this is my phone that I'm recording from. And the watch will be here with the watch adapter. So really it's got everything it needs. I'm guessing this one here is a separate top. So this one here fits Actually, I can push it all the way down. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly. I'm guessing this would be for different headphones. If you have the old AirPods or maybe something else, you can use this one here. So you just have two different tips. And you definitely want to get a shorter wire, but it all will fit together all nicely into this nice clock, which is sweet. So I like it. And then you just lay your phone down and you're good to go. Actually, this is an adapter here. So if you have a USB-C phone wire, you can just plug that in there and use the USB-C instead. So if you have USB, or see in there we got USB, or you could just use USB-C for one of those. So whichever you want. You're golden, and then the watch will sit on front and it'll be magnetized on. So you'll have that, you'll have the clock. Do you see the clock? Yep, the clock's on there, and you can set things on the clock. I guess there's different modes. 12-hour, just basically a clock. I don't even think it has an alarm. I think for the alarm, you would just use your phone for the alarm, so you don't even need that. And then, oops. And then I'm sure you can turn off the light somehow. I don't know. Well, I'll have to look at it and see. Is there a switch on the front? Let's see how to turn off that light. Switch. I don't know, maybe it is just a night light that stays on. Maybe, if I see how to turn off that light, I'll put it in the instructions. It says warm light. The mood light comes with 3 different default correlated colors. The user can choose the best suitable mode based on preference and need. Warm light, touch the switch once. Cold light, touch the switch twice. And natural light, touch the switch 3 times. A long press of the switch also increases or decreases the brightness. So why are we not going? Oh, there's the sound. And let's see. Is there another switch somewhere that I'm missing? Oh, okay. This little bar right here is the switch. So there it's off. I can touch it and it's yellow, I guess. There it's kind of bluish or maybe, and then white, and then off. So there, that's how we do the switch. So there we go. So it's pretty sweet. So it's got everything you can want. You just lay your phone on it there, wireless charging, and you are good to go. So the wireless charger parts, you got the wire for because it comes with it. But the other ones, you're gonna need your iPhone wire for your headphone wire for this, and you'll need the wire for your watch as well. So there we go. So thanks for watching. This is really sweet. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to pick one up. It seems like it was the best full featured one I could find. So links in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. And this is what it looks like again. So pretty sweet. I like it. So I'll be able to charge everything right there. Thumbs up. Bye.